The basic principle of dropping your feet is that when you're turning right, your left foot drops down, and if you're turning right, your left foot drops down. This applies to both seated and standing positions. This technique is applied when riding through both flat corners and banked or bermed corners. There are a few main reasons why you drop your feet while cornering. The first is to be able to weight your outside foot and that you can lean the bike over while standing. This weights the inside of the tire for better traction. This foot also helps control picking the bike up again after a corner, allowing you to detach from the bike and opening your inside hip and knee into the corner as well. The next point is that it raises the inside foot, which is at a higher risk of hitting an obstacle on the trail. Thirdly, this creates more rooms to open and turn your hips and knees into a corner, allowing better control. It also loads your bottom bracket and in turn your suspension to maintain maximum grip.
Hey guys, quick reminder, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, if you could, I'd much appreciate it. I'm really enjoying making these videos and I'd love to carry on doing it. Enjoy.
My next point of call would be dropping my outside foot. So if the bike was leaned over, the outside foot would be down, not the inside foot. If I had to reverse this and have my inside foot closer to the ground, it'd be at higher risk of hitting obstacles, and it's a lot harder to weight the inside foot, and also picking the bike up afterwards becomes a lot harder. So ideally what I'll do is have my outside foot down, and that allows me to lean the bike over, and it allows the bike to step up again once I'm done with the corner. Cornering while seated has a time and a place while mountain biking. Unfortunately, that's not while riding technical terrain. The only times you really want to be sitting when you're cornering is when you're riding longer marathon stuff and long Jeep track corners. Any other time, your hips are directly attached to the bike, so make sure that you're standing, because anything that's happening on the ground is directly affecting your hips and your torso. So just be aware of when you're seated while cornering.
I really hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Anyhow, jump onto the next video and let's see what else you can learn.